Hello and welcome. This is Angie with thecountrysheetcottage.net, here today with another fun Cricut craft. This video is actually sponsored by Xyron. So if you've never used a Xyron sticker maker, you're in for a treat. So I'm going to show you exactly how to use these to make a cute popsicle banner. So here's our completed banner, and it's super cute and ready for you to hang anywhere around your home. Now, the SVG file to cut this with your Cricut is available on thecountrysheetcottage.net, and I have a link for that in the description for this video, so be sure to head there. Now let's look at how to make this once you get your pieces cut. To make this project, you'll need some glitter cardstock. So I'm using a pastel sampler from Cricut. Then you'll need some baker's twine, any color of your choice. And then you're going to need some adhesive. So I'm going to use the Xyron Mega Runner. And I'm also going to use, and you can use one or the other, you don't have to have both of these, but you'll need a sticker maker from Xyron. So there's the X that has a refill, or there's the disposable version. So either one will work. So first you'll need to cut your pieces with your Cricut machine. The SVG file for these pieces are on thecountrysheetcottage.net, and I'll have a link for these in the description for this video. Then you just upload it to your Cricut machine and cut them out of any colors you want. So I have the file where each piece is individual, and then you can change them to be whatever variety of colors you would like. And then the popsicle sticks themselves, you can make them brown or you can make them a color. So this project is fully customizable. And then you can cut a variety of the accent pieces to add to the banner. So you can make all the popsicles the same, or you can make them all different. So we'll go over a few different ways to make the popsicles, but you can absolutely customize this to however you would like it to be. So to start, we'll actually start with the popsicle pieces themselves, and I cut those in pairs so I can put them back to back. And then we'll also need the sticks. So you have larger popsicle pieces that are rounded, and then a more square popsicle piece as well. And then we can put all of the accessories or embellishments in a different pile, and then we can play with those once we have the popsicles together. So to assemble each of the popsicles, we can actually use the Mega Runner to do that. And let's just do this one as an example. To the top of one of the popsicle sticks, and we'll add it on the front and the back, just at the top. And then we'll add it to the center of the popsicle piece. And then we'll need some adhesive across the top for the baker's twine itself, and then some around the edges. For the top piece that we're going to add, and then run out some extra so you have some place to tie your banner off, and then run the banner through the adhesive at the top. And then I like to add a little adhesive to the top of the one that's going on the other side, but then the adhesive around the side is fine just for this piece. And then we're just going to sandwich the baker's twine in between two, and then sandwich the popsicle stick piece in between the two as well. And then we'll just continue the same method for all of our popsicle pieces. I'm also alternating between the larger popsicles and the more square ones. And this is my last one, so I'm going to do it, and then we'll start adding some embellishments to the popsicles themselves. Okay, so there we have a popsicle banner, but it's a little plain, right? So we're going to add some of these pieces. So what you can do is sort of mock up how you want to add them to the popsicles. So we can kind of mock up a little bit and see how we want to add those. Now we can start running our pieces through either of the sticker makers. So when you run the pieces through, we can actually do some of these side by side. So you stick them through at the top, and then you pull from the bottom. And then you, when they're all the way through, we can just pull to tear them off. And then you just rub, peel back, get protective liner. And now, these are actually adhesive pieces. So when I peel these back from this white liner, there's actually adhesive all the way on both of these pieces, and they're ready to be stuck right to my banner. So I can just put those on this popsicle wherever I would like. And just as easily as that, I've added my embellishments. So now I can continue to run the embellishments through the sticker maker. Now, for some of these that are large, say this one is too large to fit through the X sticker maker, I can actually put that, this is the disposable version. Insert your item on this side, pull it through, it comes out the other side. Again, you just tear it off. Rub and peel back, then just peel and stick to whichever popsicle you want to add it to. Now I like this because adhesive gets all over the piece. I don't have to worry about it falling off at all. I know it's on there and it's going to be stuck for good. So to minimize waste, you can also string your pieces together like this and put them in one right after another. And then when you get through, follow the same procedure with cutting it off and rubbing it and then sticking the pieces to your banner. But this minimizes the waste with the machine and makes the maximum use of the adhesive. So there you have a cute popsicle banner, all within a few minutes, with your Cricut machine as well as your xyron. This is the perfect summer project for all those summer parties or your summer mantle. Grab some paper, glitter paper in this case, and make a popsicle banner for your decor. Now remember that I used the xyron runner to put the popsicle pieces themselves together and put them on the baker's twine. But the real star here for me is the sticker maker, so you can use the larger disposable or the smaller X and run your pieces through those, make them just like stickers. Then it's as easy as sticking those embellishments on your popsicles and completing your banner. So I hope you all have enjoyed this fun Cricut craft and will make one for yourself and get a xyron. In case you haven't heard of it before, you're going to love it. So thank y'all so much for joining me today. If you love this video, love this popsicle banner, be sure to give us a thumbs up. We love thumbs up. If you have any questions about anything we've covered, feel free to ask those in the comment section below. And be sure to subscribe because you don't want to miss any of the crafts we do around here. We do tons of Cricut stuff, tons of just general crafts, and you will love every minute of it. So be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And I will see you all next week with another fun craft idea. Thanks, bye.